Welcome back to NLTech. Today we're showcasing amazing forestry machinery. If you love powerful machines and tech, be sure to like and subscribe. The Frontier OS 27 by Norwood Sawmills is an entry-level sawmill offering budget-conscious users a reliable, innovative solution. Affordable yet high quality, it's perfect for any workshop or homestead. Skilled craftsmen with years of experience can easily cut through large trees with precision and efficiency. Their expertise allows them to handle even the most challenging jobs, ensuring the trees are safely and cleanly cut without damaging the surrounding area. Using advanced tools and techniques, these professionals can make quick work of tasks that would be difficult for others, highlighting their mastery of the craft. Transporting large trees through dense forests and swamps is no easy task and requires the use of heavy-duty, specialized tractors. These powerful machines are designed to navigate rugged terrain, including muddy swamps, thick underbrush, and uneven forest floors, all while carrying massive tree trunks. Equipped with strong engines and advanced suspension systems, these tractors can haul heavy loads while minimizing environmental impact. The expertise of skilled operators is also crucial, as they must maneuver through tight spaces and avoid obstacles, ensuring the safe and efficient transport of these enormous trees to their final destination. The MTLB special vehicles became stuck under the glacier, facing significant challenges in navigating the icy terrain. Despite their sturdy design, they struggled to gain traction. The crew worked hard, using winches and shovels to clear snow and carefully maneuver the vehicles free. Their determination was key to overcoming the harsh conditions and ensuring the mission could proceed. The trees are efficiently processed by large wood crushers, which play a crucial role in the forestry and recycling industries. These machines are designed to handle substantial volumes of timber, transforming whole trees into smaller, manageable pieces. This process not only helps in clearing the land, but also ensures that the wood is prepared for various uses, such as pulp production, biomass fuel, or even construction materials. By utilizing large wood crushers, we can significantly reduce waste and promote sustainable practices in managing forest resources.